Hi guys, it's Choma here, back with another video, and for today I'm sharing with you guys how I use my anti-dandruff shampoo as part of my wash day. If you guys have caught up with my videos recently, you will know that I got diagnosed with a condition called seborrheic dermatitis, and I've got the mild version of that, which is essentially a type of dandruff. And to be able to combat that or resolve that, I have to be able to implement an anti-dandruff shampoo as part of my wash day to be able to make sure that it goes away eventually. Now, with any anti-dandruff shampoo, you guys know that the majority do contain sulfates and other chemicals in there as well. And some of the chemicals do help with combating dandruff, right? Now, how do you manage that if you've got natural hair and you're supposed to be avoiding sulfates, and sulfates are not good because they dry out your hair, but you need it to be able to combat a scalp condition? Madness, absolute madness. So I have actually had 2 wash days so far with this, and it's actually worked out really well. So in this video, I'll share with you guys how I go about using the anti-dandruff shampoo and making sure that it doesn't dry out my hair throughout the rest of my wash day process and styling, and still maintain well moisturized natural hair. So if you want to be able to find out how I get that done, then stick around. All right guys, here we go. Okay guys, so for today I'm starting on about a week old hair. I had a wash day last Wednesday and I did a sleek low bun. That is a surprise look that I will be sharing with you guys soon. I just can't share with you guys yet, but I love the way the style came out. If you follow me on Instagram, you already got a sneak peek of this look, but it's been about a week old now. The sleek low bun is now looking a little bit disheveled. I've slept anyhow in it. It's looking a little bit like ready to get washed basically. And now because I use a number of different products to be able to achieve the look, gel glue, mousse, my scalp I know is a bit of a madness, and I can feel some that have lumped up the way they usually do right at the back as well. So I really could not wait to have this wash day today, and I'll show you guys what I'm dealing with right now. It's a little bit like, yeah, just ready to get washed. So the anti-dandruff shampoo that I use is the Head and Shoulders anti-dandruff shampoo, which is up to 100% flake free. I picked out the Classic Clean, and they do have a conditioner that goes with it as well. I just stick to using the shampoo and not the conditioner. So for conditioners, I go about deep conditioning and using conditioners that I would usually use. Now, to be able to use the anti-dandruff shampoo, I don't actually apply it the way I normally do with my normal shampoo. What I go ahead and do is put it in an applicator. This applicator comes in handy because it's got this little nozzle up here that's able to work directly into the scalp as opposed to on the hair as well. The key here when you're using anti-dandruff shampoo is that the focus is on the scalp and not the hair. Now you guys know that usually what I'll do is part my hair into 2 sections. I've got my hair completely locked in gel, so I don't want to manipulate my hair when it's in this state, because all that's going to do is cause breakage beyond measure. You never want to be able to go in and start parting your hair with hard glue gel that's in there. This stuff, it is not moving. So what I'm gonna do is actually wet my hair first. Once it's wet, once it's like soaking, then I can go ahead and actually part my hair. And then I go directly into my scalp. And I just squeeze in there. And then bring some right down the middle. From there, I just work in as I normally do. Once I feel that there's enough distribution of the shampoo on my scalp, I grab my Afro comb. This is a plastic Afro comb, guys. Emphasis on plastic Afro comb. What I'm gonna do is gently scrub onto my scalp. So in, and I go and do that. Just so that it lifts the rest of the dandruff from the bottom. And I'm doing this because I used a lot of gel. So I just want to make sure that there isn't any left behind. I usually do this in the shower, so it's obviously a lot quicker than the process that I'm showing you guys. But I want to make sure that you guys get an understanding of exactly how I go about doing this process. You want to move quickly between shampooing using the anti-dandruff shampoo and then following up onto the next step. You don't want to let your hair dry before you go on to this process. And this process is simply shampooing once again, but with a moisturizing, sulfate-free shampoo. For this wash day, I am using the Cream of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil, the Healthy and Long Fortifying Shampoo. I got this shampoo in the July Treasure Chest box. It was a Cream of Nature takeover, and let me tell you, this Treasure Chest box did not disappoint. So when I am using the anti-dandruff shampoo, I can immediately feel when I rinse out that squeaky cleanness close to dryness that you get when you use a sulfate shampoo. So I always want to be able to go in with a moisturizing shampoo to combat that and bring the moisture back. Now I know this can seem like a bit of a process because you're going in and shampooing once again, but trust and believe. If you just shampooed your hair with the anti-dandruff shampoo and you just went straight into conditioning, sis, it would not give you the same result. Guys, when this box came and I tried the shampoo, Cream of Nature was my staple before, and obviously I moved on, but I always forget like how good the shampoos are. Oh. Okay, so I'm all done with the cleansing process. Now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse. To deep condition, I am using the Cream of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil, Healthy and Long Fortifying Hair Mask. Guys, the first time that I used this hair mask, again, I had completely slept on Cream of Nature. I think I wasn't a fan of the honey range. They have come back with this fortifying hair mask and the shampoo. The ingredients for sure make all the difference. The shampoo and the hair mask both have menthol in there, and you know how crazy I am about menthol. I'm obsessed. Menthol has got so many amazing benefits, but essentially it helps to stimulate your scalp and helps with blood circulation and all of that, which then stimulates hair growth and helps with retention. So like, this is an amazing, amazing deep conditioner. show you the rest of the range that I got in the treasure chest box. This is the Cream of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil Root Recharge Serum. This is a concentrate on the scalp more than the hair. So I won't actually be using this for the foreseeable future because we already know my scalp condition. I'm not actually applying any oils, any kind of serums or anything like that to my scalp. I want to be able to see an improvement on the dandruff, and so this would only irritate the matter, I feel. So I won't actually be using this. And then in the box also was the Cream of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil Reconstructing Anti-Breakage Leave-In. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and style with this product, and I'm just doing a simple blowout using the Rev Air for my styling. And that is a wrap from me, guys. I really just wanted to be able to show you guys the cleansing and conditioning process using the anti-dandruff shampoo. Didn't want to make this video too long, so I won't actually show you the styling side of things. If you guys want a quick video of how I'm going to style my hair, head over to my Instagram. Make sure you're following me because I will post a styling video over there. I hope this video has been helpful. Please do give it a thumbs up if it has. Also, do comment below. Are there any other tips that you guys want to be able to share when it comes to using an anti-dandruff shampoo, or even when you're using a sulfate shampoo in general? Please do comment below. And as usual, if you're joining me for the very first time or you're returning and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that red button to subscribe. Also, turn on the auto notification bell, and that way you'll never ever miss a beat. Oh, Lord, where did my voice go? Child. That way you'll never miss a video, guys. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.